guys, welcome back to my channel. So I like to start my pamper routine by turning on music because happy vibes are compulsory. So I'm gonna start by my foot care routine, which includes a couple of things, but firstly I'm gonna remove my nail paint. For that I'm taking this nail paint remover from LA18 on a cotton ball and will gently rub on my nails. The next step is to trim the nails with the help of this nail trimmer, and the trick is to cut straight across when trimming your toenail to reduce your chances of getting an ingrown toenail. And now it's done. Now I'm gonna prepare my DIY foot bath, for which I'll be pouring some baking soda, lemon and fresh flowers into a tub full of warm water. Make sure it's not too hot. And now I'm just gonna sit back and relax for up to 30 minutes. Foot bath is a great way to relax and detoxify your body because it absorbs every little toxin and waste through my feet. And guys, baking soda is known to take care of bad odor, destroying bacteria and fungi, and lemon improves the health of skin. And now I'm gonna take out my feet from the tub and will gently exfoliate them using the half cut lemon, to which I've added baking soda. And trust me guys, if you have tanning and unevenness, so this gonna work for you. And you can see the results. Here I've completed the step by applying my favorite nail paint. So the next step is skincare routine, and for that I'll be preparing a DIY face scrub, which is a lemon honey face scrub. And to prepare this, firstly I'll add some rice flour, then some lemon, and gonna end this by adding honey. And now I'll mix it well. You can see it's ready for application. Guys, I've already washed my face by using a facial cleanser. Now I'm gonna gently exfoliate my face using this scrub. And we know rice flour is coarse in nature, so it removes all the dead skin cells. Lemon helps in fading all the blemishes and uneven skin tone, while honey adds moisture to the skin. Now it's time for face mask, and this is the best face mask I've ever used till now. And trust me, nobody gave me money to speak that, but I wish somebody. So I'm gonna evenly spread this on my face and will wait for 15 to 20 minutes. And guys, this mask works wonder for tanning, and even it makes my skin glowy. And I always try to apply this mask in the night because I'm kind of obsessed with the glow that I got when I wake up next morning. For body care, I only use this M-Caffeine Naked and Raw Body Scrub, but there is a DIY coffee scrub which is effective. That is, take some brown sugar and simply add coconut oil to it, and yeah, your luxurious DIY body scrub is ready. So I'm gonna take some M-Caffeine body scrub and will gently apply on my hands. I love this scrub because it smells so good and it reduces my cellulite. Even it removes my tanning from everywhere, and it's been more than a year that I'm using this scrub, and oh my god, I'm feeling like I'm so expert in choosing the product. And same thing I'm gonna do for my legs, and there's a trick, that scrub before you shave to avoid the ingrown hairs. So for shaving, I'm using this Venus razor, which is my best friend from last many years now because I do have deficiency of patience. So for shaving, I'll wet my hands, and the trick is to shave in the opposite direction of the hair. And for this, you don't need to be professional. You'll get to learn this by the time, and we know we are not the born expert, right? Oiling my hair is the most important step in my pamper routine. For oiling my hair, I use castor oil and coconut oil together because it helps in growing my hair faster, even makes my hair soft and smooth. After I am done with oiling, I leave my hair for minimum 2 hours and will head to take shower. So guys, I'm back after the shower, and I've already done my skincare by applying toner and moisturizer. Now I'm taking this Leave-On serum to make my hair more manageable and soft. You need to apply this serum towards the end of your hair, and now rub gently to spread it all over, and that's it. Now I'll blow dry my hair, and one thing I want to confess, I don't do this on regular basis because heating appliances will make your hair weak. Okay, that's it. Let me have a moment now. For moisturizing, I'm using the same range of Caffeine Naked and Rich body butter, and I'll evenly apply this onto my hands, legs, and I really love the smell of this. Okay, that's it for today's video guys. If you like it, make sure you turn the black thumb blue. Don't forget to subscribe, bell button, share and all that. You can follow me on Instagram for more update. Bye guys.